So today I'm going to try to replace the battery cell of this wristwatch. I have not been able to open it, and I have gotten this special tool, this one. So let's give it a try. Let's open it and see if I can get the battery cell. Let's give it a try here. Oh, good. Got it. Okay. So this is the battery. Let's see if I can order it online, and then I'll replace it and close it. But the basic thing was getting this tool. I got it from eBay for maybe $1.50, and then I was able to open it now. And the reason that nothing else was working, I was not willing to try using a knife or anything, because I have seen people injured their fingers. So this one is the right tool. Okay, the battery number is 317, and this battery is made by Renata. So I've gotten the new batteries, and I'll just use one of these and replace it. So this is the new battery. I'll just take this out. Put the new one in. So I have lined up this slot here, and let's try to press it and snap in place. Seems like I'll need a set of pliers to just press it from here, and that should seal it. Let me do that. So I have used this plier and press it from here and here, and now it is properly sealed. So this battery gives new life to this watch. Thanks for watching.